Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to navigate MEXC if you are based in the US. So many individuals encounter issue accessing the exchange due to their IP address being set to the US, as you can see here. However, there is a straightforward solution. All you need is a VPN or consider using an alternative exchange. Now, if we take a look at the number of people searching for MEXC, you will notice a significant increase in the keyword volume. So for example, in June, it was 867 people, but it's got rocketed to 7.9k people in July. So this surge is likely due to the banning of KuCoin, prompting users to see alternative platforms since the US is a banned country according to MEXC's turn-off surveys. However, MEXC operates as a non-KYC crypto exchange, meaning you simply need to acquire a VPN to sign up, deposit, trade, and withdraw crypto without undergoing KYC procedure. So now, as you can see, I have a VPN set to the US. I will disconnect it, and then I will switch it to Korea. So as for the VPN, Surfshock is recommended, but feel free to choose your preferred VPN service and feel free to buy it. So check the description section of the video for the link to sign up for MEXC and receive a 10% reduction on the processing fee. I will also provide the MEXC registration link in the comment sections. Alright, now that we are connected VPN, let's receive the MEXC. So no more access issue. If we head over to my MEXC account, click on here, you will notice I sign up using just an email address, bypassing the needs for KYC. And also in here, I can even initiate a withdrawing without any KYC requirements, with a withdrawal limit of up to 300 Bitcoin. So MEXC does work. All you need is a VPN. So now on to two important features of MEXC. So the first one is MEXC boosts the lowest commission rates globally. As we can see here, there is 0 futures makers fees and only 0.02 taker fee, which is quite low. The second thing is making money on MEXC is incredibly straightforward, as you can see on here. So for this session, you can just simply hold 1000 MX, which is MEXC Global Native tokens, for 30 days or more, and you will start receiving airdrop reward, as we can see here. So now we can see that the average APR has now reached an impressive 120%. So I hope you found this video helpful.